It is a chilly, chilly afternoon, 40 degrees or so outside, but the winds are calm, so I think it's probably a good afternoon for a flight. Here we go. Cold today. I wish I had my face mask on today. I think I'm gonna head over to this field, do some low passes. Just wanted to get airborne. It's been so windy lately. It's been 15-mile-an-hour winds for about 2 weeks straight, and so this is the first opportunity I've had to get up in the air, and wasn't gonna squander that. It's a nice big open field right here. Alright, about 5 feet off the ground here. Nice smooth flying today. Pretty soon it's going to be time for those heated gloves and heated jacket that I have. These gloves I have on right now work well, but my hands are already a little bit chilly. Okay. Engine just died. So I'm going to hop out of my seat here and hopefully get another quick start. Got a big open field here to work with. Not really sure why the engine died, but glad to be in an open field. Wow. There's just so much debris here. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to make this work. I mean, there's just stuff for... Get all my lines tangled, knotted up. It's one of those situations where I am going to need to make sure every single line is accounted for. So I got the lines, I hopefully untangled there. And when I say tangled, I mean tangled up in all this corn that's on the ground. So I'm going to try to give this wing a good pop and get airborne here. Well, that was quite an adventure. Lucky to have had an engine out over a big field like that. Glad that ended up working out all right. So those two boys that I was saying bye to just saw me land and ran over to me from their house. Just asking some questions. So I gave him a copy of my YouTube card, told him to go take a look. I also happened to meet the family of the family that lives right next to that field that I landed in. I went over and apologized to him. He said he wasn't fussy, didn't care, so that was nice. So I'm up at about 1,200 feet. And now that I'm right back over the landing zone, I'm going to put my machine in idle and just see if it shuts off again. Windsock looks pretty still. So I'm going to come around and land in right towards my Jeep. That way I'll have less of a distance to walk to put my stuff away. Go ahead and shut that motor off. That was me that time. Gonna be a quick landing. There we go. All right. Well, back at home safely. Another aviation adventure in the books. All right, guys. I will see you on another flight.